Hi guys, I'm Santosh and I'm back with another video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, the famous cryptocurrency. I thought it's the right time to talk about it because I found it trading at a crucial level. So it would be helpful for those who wants to invest or who wants to trade in Bitcoin. So let me just talk about its technicals so that it would be clear what I am talking right now. Uh, so I opened Bitcoin USDT pair in Binance website, and I hope you all can see the screen clearly. Now, after Bitcoin touched its all-time high price of around 69,000 plus USDT, then it was continuously trading in a downtrend, and now it is at a crucial level. Let me just draw the trend line first. So since November, it is continuously in downtrend. You can clearly see this, and it is taking resistance at this on this trend line, and continuously retesting the trend line. Now it came to a position where it was in a continuous consolidation in the past. Now this will act like a crucial support. So in as this is a cryptocurrency, I don't want to go ahead with support line. Instead, I'll choose a support zone here because of the underlying volatility present in it. So it's better to draw a zone. Now if you look at this, this is clearly a great support zone, and so since in the month of September it consolidated for some time here, and now again consolidating in the same region, and is ready for a breakout, maybe in the upside direction or in the downward direction. We are not sure about it, but just remember one thing. uh, Based on its closing candle, 1 day closing candle, uh, you know on either side we can take that position. See, if it closes just above this trend line uh, on a daily time frame, then we can definitely go long on Bitcoin. And if it closes down this trend line, then it is great opportunity again for sellers. You can short Bitcoin. And so how much target price that we are expecting now? Now, when it breaches this trend line in the upside direction, then definitely we can look for a target of 40 uh, 47,000 change, and that is definitely achievable. This would be our first target, followed by 51,000, and we never know how much target it can give post this. So just wait for the right movement, put an alert if possible, and then take a position accordingly. And the same goes uh, for the seller side. If at all this support zone gets breached, then we can expect a target of 36,000 as our first target, and then 32,000 as our second target. Um, so please do your own analysis, and uh, on your due diligence, take a position in this crypto. And let me talk about Ethereum as well so that it would be clear. I'm searching for Ethereum USDT pair. Now, this follows the same pattern with Bitcoin, because these are two bigger cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. So this goes in a similar way all the time. So let me just draw the trend line so that the levels will be clear. And yeah, after its all-time high price of more than 4,800 USDT, it is again continuously in a downtrend. And now this is it has taken resistance on this trend line and came to the same crucial level. So let me just draw a support zone here so that it will be clear. Now see here, this is at a crucial level. It is taking support. Now maybe it will consolidate for some more time, but once Bitcoin breaches, this goes in a similar direction. So you know better wait for the wait for the right time and take a position in this crypto. If it breaches the upside trend line, then definitely you can aim for a target of 3,700 as our first target, and followed by 4,000 as our second target. And on the downside, if this support zone gets breached, then our first target would be 2,700 followed by 2,300. So that's about it, guys. I'll come up with interesting videos next time. So please do your own due diligence and take a right call in crypto market, because uh, because of this huge volatility present in crypto market, you may get scared and sometimes even book the losses without knowing what's going on in the technical part and what's going on in the fundamental part. So uh, be prepared with respect to the volatility and take a right call. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to Bitcoin and Ethereum, then please put the question in the comment section. I'm happy to help you. Thank you.